Jason Knauf, the Duchess of Sussex TMS ex-head of communications, said in a statement that she did cooperate with the authors of Megxit book Finding Freedom. This would fly in the face of the numerous denials by the Sussex camp who insist that the novel was unauthorized. Yesterday the Court of Appeal heard that the 40-year-old TMS account was materially false and raises questions about her credibility. Mr Knauf was Prince Harry TMS Communications secretary for 4 years and then Meghan TMS following their marriage. It has since emerged that he reported bullying allegations against Meghan by palace staff. Meghan has always strenuously denied the claims and said they were part of a smear campaign against her. Lawyers for the Mail on Sunday are hoping to use his statement to overturn an early ruling by the High Court which decided that publishing letters the Duchess sent to her father breached her privacy. Further evidence was submitted to the hearing claimed that Thomas Markle, 77, sent Meghan several affectionate texts after he could not make the couple TMS wedding in May 2018 due to a heart attack. These contradict a picture painted by a People magazine article in February 2019 that her father was uncaring, it was claimed. It was based on the comments of 5 of Meghan TMS friends, who she says spoke to the magazine without her knowledge. The letters she sent to her father were published to show that some of the claims in the article were wrong, the paper claims. Andrew Caldecott QC, for the newspaper, also told the hearing that the letter was crafted specifically with possibility of public consumption in mind. And he claimed Mr Knauf TMS statement will directly contradict her claims she never cooperated with Finding Freedom authors Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand. Mr Caldecott told the court, at about the same time the People article appeared it is actually slightly earlier the claimant cooperated with the authors of the book, later entitled Finding Freedom, through her communications secretary Mr Knauf in autumn and winter 2018. The claimant expressly denied any such cooperation in her pleaded case with one minor exception. That is now contradicted evidence of Mr Knauf. Mr Caldecott said, "The first point we make is this, we read the judgment as implicitly accepting the letter was crafted as an intimate communication for her father TMS eyes only, that is how the claimant TMS case was put before the judge both in writing and orally. That fundamental point turns out to be false on new evidence." He added, "The claimant TMS pleaded case can be seen to be materially false in important respect by reference to contemporaneous documents." And he said this raises questions about her credibility. Meghan is opposing Mr Knauf TMS statement being introduced and is opposing the appeal. In a statement to the New York Times, the Duchess said, "It TMS an arduous process. At a certain point, no matter how difficult it is, you know the difference between right and wrong. You must stand up for what TMS right and that TMS what I TMM doing." Mr Knauf was Harry TMS Communications secretary for 4 years from February 2015, and Meghan TMS following the pair TMS marriage.